Pull up in motorcades, I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do, hustle and motivate.
Yo, what's up, folks? It's your boy B Cal back at you again with another great value-packed video for Legacy Vault, right? We're talking about the best investments for beginners. This is one of my favorites because I love to invest. I love to stack my money, figure out what's the great opportunities to put my money in so we can double up, triple up, quadruple up, and all that good stuff, right? And I just go crazy for it. So let's get straight to it. If you've got money sitting in a savings account doing nothing, you're actually losing wealth thanks to inflation. But here's to the good news. You don't need to be an expert to invest. You just need to start. So today I'm breaking down the best investments for beginners that actually grow your money. Part 1, why most beginners get investing wrong. Most beginners think investing is about chasing the next big thing like meme stocks, crypto pumps, or overpriced tech plays. Big mistake. The truth, wealth building isn't about the hype. It's about smart, long-term moves. Forget get rich quick scheme. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Understand the power of time. Compounding interest turns small investments into fortunes. Pick the right assets. Smart investing beats lucky gambling every time. Over time, guaranteed. Now, let's talk about the best beginner investments that actually build wealth. Part 2, the best investments for beginners. Investment number 1, let's talk about index funds and ETFs, the no-brainer strategy. What it is a basket of stocks like the S&P 500 that grows steadily over time. Why it works? Because it's diversified, passive, and historically strong returns, 8 to 10% annually. Best ETFs for beginners. You can check out VOO, S&P 500, VTI, Total Stock Market, or the QQQ. Tech heavy. How to invest. Open a brokerage such as Fidelity, Vanguard, or M1 Finance and start with $100 or more. Even 50 if that's what you have. Just start today. Investment number 2, high yield real estate. What it is, REITs, REITs. Real estate investment trusts. These let you own rental property without managing tenants. Why it works is because it generates passive income plus appreciates in value. Best REITs for beginners is VNQ, which is real estate ETFs. Fundrise, which is private real estate investing. Investment 3, dividend stocks. What this is companies that pay you cash dividends just for owning shares. Why this works is because it creates passive income plus stock appreciation. The best dividend stocks are SCHD, which is a dividend ETF, Coca-Cola, KO, or Johnson & Johnson with the ticker name or symbol JNJ. Investment number 4, bonds and treasury bills, low risk wealth protection. What it is lending money to the government or companies for steady interest payout. Why this works is because it has low volatility, safe returns, and less than 5% of some treasury bills today. Investment 5, alternative assets, which are growth outside of stocks, such as crypto and Bitcoin for diversification. Small percent of your portfolio, never all in though. Peer-to-peer rentals, where you can use your own assets to generate revenue. For example, Airbnb for homes, Turo for vehicles, another gold and silver for inflation hedge. It's a defense play against economic downturns. Which investment sounds best for you? Drop it in the comments below. How to get started. Here's a step-by-step game plan. So you don't need thousands of dollars to start. Here's exactly how to begin, even with $100. Step 1, open a brokerage like Fidelity or Vanguard, M1 Finance, or even Robinhood. Step 2, pick one beginner-friendly asset such as index funds, ETFs, REITs, or dividend stocks. Step 3, set up automatic contributions. Even $50 a month grows over time. So anything that you can contribute on a consistent basis without looking at it, without seeing it, without touching it will help you get going right away. Stay consistent. Long-term thinking beats emotional trading. So reinvest profits for compound growth. Start investing and start investing smart. Smart investing isn't about time in the market. It's about time in the market. The worst investment mistake, not starting at all. So here's what you do right now. Go ahead and get started. Comment below which investment are you starting with. I reply with tips. Subscribe. Next episode, I'm going to be talking about how to automate investing for passive wealth. Start today. Set up your first $100 investment immediately. Investing isn't just for wealthy. It's how you become wealthy. Start now, stay consistent, and watch your money work for you. Take care, folks.